Now what we did just now was for perimeter. What about area? Okay, let's do the second part. All right, let's do the second part. Let's do 4 and area. Okay, so what can we do over here? All right, let's see what can we do over here. So what's the expression for the area rectangle? So a rectangle, to find the area, you know that's gonna be base times height, or some of you like to say length times breadth, all right, or length times width. That'll be fine as well. Okay, but for me, I personally like base times height, so I know that's my base and that's my height over here. Okay, so that's it. So I'm going to multiply that now. All right, but how I will write it? I will write it like this instead. So I'm going to write x squared, all right, multiply 3x plus 4. Okay, now some of you might look this, isn't this height times base? All right, but it's actually the same thing. All right, it's actually the same thing. Now, how I would like to prove this is by a simple calculation. 3 times 2, I will get 6, right? Now, if I were to swap this around, which is 2 times 3 now, that will give me 6 as well, right? So in other words, when we are multiplying numbers, it doesn't matter how is the arrangement of the numbers, okay? It can be this, or you can flip it, you will still get the same answer, right? I just like to do it in this way because I can utilize the expansion method over here. Okay, let's start expanding. X squared times 3x, so what I will get here, I will get 3x to the power of 3. And then, since I'm done with this, don't forget, there's one more guy behind here. You have to multiply this as well. So x squared multiplied by 4, that will give me 4x squared. Okay? And is there anything else we can do here? This belongs to the x cubed family. This belongs to the x squared family. That's it. And that is the expression for the area of rectangle. Okay? Now, having said that, I want to share some common mistakes that students will do when they are doing this kind of question. Now, let's start with the basic one first, okay? I will strongly encourage you all to know the difference between these. So if I were to give you like x plus x, all right, and okay, let me change this to red color so you can see the difference, and x multiply with x, okay? So a lot of students, all right, sometimes they will give me this answer, oh, x times x, that's going to give me 2x squared, all right? But however, we know that this is not the correct answer, all right? The correct answer is going to be 2x only, all right? Because they are 2x, so that's why they have 2x, right? But what about this? X times x, that's going to give you x squared, right? Because this one, does it look familiar? Okay, it's basically multiplication rule that we learned from indexes. So this is basically x to the power of 1, x to the power of 1, right? So same base, we can add the power, right? So that will become x to the power of 2. Okay, so please make sure you all know the difference between these. Now what about this? Okay, another example. If I have x plus y and also x multiply with y. All right, so what do I get here? What will I get here? X plus y. All right, some students will see, oh, x plus y, that's going to be xy, right? But if you do that, that will be wrong. Because why? They are from different family. If they are from different family, you can't add them together. So x plus y is just like that, right? We can't simplify this anymore already, okay? Whereas for this, if I have x times y, that will give me oops. That will give me xy. All right. So as a conclusion, what can I make over here? Okay, what can I tell you over here? When you are adding, you can only add you can only add from the same family. All right. So x and x, they are from the same family. You can add together. X plus y, they are not from the same family, so you can add together. So this is already the answer, right? X to the power of 3 is not the same family, does not belong to the same family as x squared, so that's why you can't add them. This is the answer already, okay? But however, when you are multiplying, it doesn't matter which family you are from, all right? Everything just sticks in, right? Even you're from different family, it just sticks in, okay? So basically that's what it means. If you know what it means, I'm going to change this question a bit. I'm going to change it to this. X squared, I will add a y, an additional thing over here, with a bracket, same thing. 3x plus 4. So what do I get now? All right. Now again, since we are multiplying, the family does not matter here. You just multiply in only. So what do I get? This I will get 3 x squared and x, that's going to give me x cubed, right? Y is just going to hang out over here. All right, everything joins it. Okay, we have multiplied the first one. We are done with this. The second one, x squared y multiplied by 4, that will give me 4x squared y over here. Okay.